Did you know that moles can dig up to 50 meters of tunnels in a single day, causing inconvenience for landowners? Fortunately, mole traps have become more affordable. This specific spring-loaded trap is priced at just $17. Before setting up the trap, it is important for buyers to locate the active mole tunnels. Sellers claim that this trap is faster, safer, and simpler to use compared to other similar products. It is designed to be effective in all types of soil. In case you need to relocate the trap, it can be easily deactivated with a special button and placed in another area on the plot. With this affordable and efficient mole trap, you can effectively address mole-related issues on your property. After successfully removing the moles, enhancing the overall appearance of the plot can be achieved by planting new trees. This device not only attracts enthusiasts, but also professionals like landscapers. To ensure the trees thrive in their new surroundings, they require support, which is precisely what this telescoping system offers. The telescoping system easily attaches to the tree's base and provides adjustable lengths ranging from 25 to 38 centimeters. It features a padded ring that prevents any harm to the trunk. This system is suitable for all trees with a trunk diameter of 5 centimeters or more, as stated by the manufacturer. Additionally, the ring design allows for slight swaying, promoting the growth of stronger roots. While the device is priced at $17 without a post, it does come with a flexible band. This support system provides the necessary stability and protection for newly planted trees, attracting both enthusiasts and professionals who aim to create thriving and visually appealing landscapes. According to the creators of this irrigation system, they have introduced the future of lawn care. They claim that this system offers a range of benefits, including increased relaxation, reduced manual labor, and potential savings of around $2,000 on water equipment and other expenses over an 8-month period. The system's features are indeed intriguing. It offers the convenience of quick installation within minutes and can be controlled directly from your smartphone using a Wi-Fi connection. With just a water hose and the system in place, you can easily configure watering zones through a user-friendly app. What's more, the system automatically adjusts its watering schedule based on the weather conditions, ensuring optimal water usage. To enhance the functionality, there's also an option to incorporate specialized units for fertilization, insect repellency, and air deodorization. Each unit covers a radius of 9 meters, and multiple units can work together or alternate based on water pressure, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Considering the features and benefits, the price for a single unit stands at $340. This innovative irrigation system aims to revolutionize lawn care by providing convenience, efficiency, and potential cost savings to homeowners. For urban dwellers who desire to adorn their apartments with plants but lack the time and energy for plant care, there is now a solution. This agricultural technology system caters to both hydroponics and traditional ground planting, providing a convenient way to nurture plants in any living space. The system features eco-friendly pots made from recyclable food-grade polymer, which can be easily joined and separated. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatibility, the system can be controlled directly from a smartphone, offering seamless management at your fingertips. The basic version of the system has a 16-liter capacity, providing ample space for automatic watering that can sustain your plants for 30 to 45 days. For added functionality, the system offers optional features such as solar panels and lighting to optimize plant growth and health. With a price of $229, the basic kit includes 6 pots for traditional planting and 6 pots for hydroponics, giving you the flexibility to choose the planting method that suits your preferences and space. This innovative system empowers urban dwellers to effortlessly incorporate greenery into their living spaces, bringing the beauty and benefits of plants without the demanding maintenance typically associated with plant care. In 2017, Turkey boasted an impressive expanse of greenhouses, spanning an incredible 14,000 hectares. To put this into perspective, that's an area equivalent to 20 times the size of San Marino. The sheer scale of greenhouse numbers worldwide is truly awe-inspiring, especially when considering their widespread availability for assembly by practically anyone nowadays. One prime example of the accessibility and versatility of greenhouse accessories is the bulk-sold tensioners. These tensioners, available in packs of 500 units for just $21, serve multiple purposes both inside and outside greenhouses. They are particularly useful when working with chain-link fencing, offering a remarkable maximum load capacity of 500 kilograms. These tensioners measure 8 by 2.3 centimeters and are primarily made from aluminum, although a steel variant with the same load capacity is also available. Moreover, several other companies manufacture their own versions of tensioners, which can be used for various applications, such as clotheslines or securing 16mm thick steel cables. The widespread availability and affordability of these tensioners contribute to their popularity and make them an essential tool for greenhouse enthusiasts and beyond. This innovative system empowers urban dwellers to effortlessly incorporate greenery into their living spaces, bringing the beauty and benefits of plants without the demanding maintenance typically associated with plant care.